Alright, so I've heard somewhere, I think it was on TikTok, that there's a new affiliate like Hustlers University that's closed down now. Affiliate system. I think it's only for people that had it before, but you can't become a new affiliate. I made some videos about it, like my free last videos. But there's a new affiliate somewhere that I can find. I don't know where to find it though, so we're gonna see. Then we're probably gonna make some other videos where we try to become an affiliate for this channel. I think it's this channel. I don't really know how it works yet. Alright, so I know some more about it now. It's called the Creativity Kit, because I found some TikToks that has this link, and it looks like this. Check out how to edit viral videos and especially how to monetize it. Yeah, I think this is it. I don't know. Let's search affiliate afterwards. So someone says that you're only allowed to make $550. Don't know if that's true. Oh, he also removed the affiliate. Why are everyone removing this? So I guess this video is a fail again. Like, I found out in my second video of the aim to trade videos that they didn't work anymore, and now I was gonna try this for this like series I was gonna make, but it doesn't work anymore. Yep, I don't know. Thank you for watching.